add revision. For that, go to document manager, select the drawing, which drawing you need to add revision, select GA or single part, any drawing you can select, then right click, which drawing you need to make revision, you can go to the select the drawing and right click, go to the revision, you can create the revision. I just make it here A, and here it is who prepared, I just make it here my name, then description issued for fabrication, then make it here date, Control C and Control V, then create. Now you can see here revision is added. Double click this drawing, you can see here what we created, the revision is added automatically. So these templates and all already I teach in Tecla Structure 2020 course. If you want to know more about the templates and all, please go to Tecla Structure 2020 course. You will get it clear lecture about this. Now I just close this one. Then if you need to make revision in more drawings, you can go to the drawing and you can select, press Control and you can select together drawing, then right click, you can go to the revision, you can add the revision. So this is the way you can add revision in Tecla Structure.